The SmartO Super Solution is a universal mobile application that promises to make our lives easier, more convenient, and organized. In addition, the SmartO system is developing a whole world of mobile service capabilities, all united under one very powerful and smart system. With developments like a new smart organizer, interactive navigator, instant messenger, and a personal assistant with an adaptive algorithm that will combine all of these and many other useful services together under one platform with blockchain technology. Let's discuss. Hey everybody, I'm Gary Palmer Jr., you're you, and together we are Minting Coins, your trusted source for crypto news, interviews, and ICO reviews. Thank you for showing up. Tap that like button. It really supports us and it helps other people find this content. Also, if you have any questions or comments, leave those in the comments box below so your voice is heard as part of the community. In today's ICO review video, we're going to be talking about SmartO, the SmartO platform application, and how they are promising to make our lives better, faster, stronger, more efficient with this very smart mobile technology. You know, we live in a world that has been drastically improved with these supercomputer smartphones that exist in all of our pockets. We have our Rolodex, we have our cameras, we have our cell phones, all sorts of messaging and communications apps to keep us connected and organized in a world where there's just too much to do. What is missing from these applications is the interconnectedness, is the intelligence behind one app and another app sharing information and being able to help us make decisions in ways that we're not even thinking about. Well, the SmartO platform and the SmartO team is working on just that, and we are going to be reviewing who they are, what are they doing, and going over some of the details of their upcoming pending ICO. So with that being said, let's take a look at their website, take a peek around, and let's discuss. So here we are at their website at smarto.im. This is a HTTPS website. We can see the orange and blue logo over here for the SmartO project, and they're offering the STO tokens for 30% off in their pre-ICO. Their pre-ICO, which starts in about 28 days and has already had over 1,300 people sign up through their newsletter. Now, if you want to get more information about the SmartO and the SmartO project, you can go across all of their social links down here. You can find SmartO listed on the Bitcoin forum. You can find SmartO listed on the bitcointalk.org forum on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Reddit, Telegram. You can also check out their GitHub account or their official blog at medium.com/@SmartO project. So what is SmartO? Why is SmartO here? What is the challenge and solution that they are seeking to take on? Well, the challenge is that our whole life consists of all of these problems, all of these activities that we need to take on, and there's no solution to help us really manage all of the different apps and tasks that we have to hold ourselves accountable for. And what's happening is that we have this super solution in SmartO, which is a universal mobile application that is promising to make our lives easier, more convenient, and organized. In addition, it gives users many ways to make money by using the app and making the app a utility as a part of their lives. Not only is this SmartO system being integrated with blockchain technology, it's blockchain technology that's connecting their navigator, their instant messenger, their personal assistant with an intelligent algorithm that feeds back useful information and services to the user of the applications. And so how this works is that the application is receiving all of this information from your phone, from the different apps that you're using, processes all this information in an algorithm, and it has one mission and one purpose, which is to tell you how, when, and in what order to solve all your tasks in the most efficient and easy way possible. And at the same time, there are these B2C services, business to consumer focus on helping the consumers. There's also a B2B side, a business to business side, which helps businesses capture new attention to create new sources of revenue from users who are using the app, looking for information, looking for services in this natural forming marketplace. So their website has a lot of information. You can check out videos about the project, and you can start reading about how this is going to be used for users and for businesses. So at a high level here, we have the SmartO app for users to help users stay organized, to help them with their personal assistant tasks, to create new sources of income, as well as giving them a new means of communication and staying in contact with people for both entertainment and emergency situations. On the opposite side of that equation, we have SmartO for businesses, which is giving a lot of advantages for businesses, such as a means of keeping loyal customers and acquiring new customers, customer feedback and auditing of that information, connecting with a target audience groups, and then tools for optimizing the business's processes so they can be more functional, more efficient using systems like CRMs, team chat, and all sorts of management for their employees and their operations. The SmartO website goes on to give us additional information about the market analysis and the target audience of which they are seeking to attack. And in terms of the advertising potential that this app is going to be able to tap into, they're showing the 2017 global digital advertising market between the years of 2015 and the 2020 growth dynamics. You can see that digital advertising is only expected to increase, and as it does increase, we believe that it is going to increase in more gamified environments, more game theory-centric environments where not only will the advertisers win and the website platform developers win, but the world of advertising in the future is also going to benefit the users who are consuming that advertising, and the SmartO platform is creating a system where both the consumers and the businesses both benefit. And so on the website, we can review the SmartO business model to show the different connections between the different relationships in the SmartO app ecosystem. And we can also go over the four main components of the SmartO business model, including the token economy, the promotional tools, the win-win strategy for everyone involved, as well as the exchanges. There's a lot of information here for us to review. If this is an ICO that you're interested in learning more about, then we recommend that you do check out all this information, and then you check out the information in their white paper as well. Because SmartO on their website at smarto.im, they're giving a lot of reasons to become part of this project. And they have several reasons listed here, and the website really goes on and on with the security that they're going to be offering, with the systems that they're going to be offering to help make sure that people's position inside the SmartO application is going to be protected and is going to be self-sustaining for the ecosystem moving forward. Always an interesting section of the website is going to be the development strategy and roadmap. It's interesting to note that the start of the pre-ICO is actually happening here on April 6th, and then the end of the pre-ICO is April 15th. And then in April 26th is the start of the actual ICO. So then the actual ICO is going to end May 7th, and it's interesting to note that before the end of the actual ICO, according to the roadmap here, they're actually going to have the app prototype completed for people to use, for people to download, and for people to start experiencing the benefits of using this application. So we think that's going to be an interesting development for people to use the app before the ICO ends, and it'll be interesting to see if the creation of the app and the functionality of the app actually encourages more people to get into the ICO before it ends on May 7th. Actually, looking down the roadmap a little further, it says the test version is going to launch between September and December after the tokens are listed on the exchanges. And so with the app prototype being completed in the month of May, I'm actually not sure if people are going to be able to download that, but it'll be interesting to see how this all plays out. So in terms of the SmartO token distribution and ICO timeline, as we were mentioning a second ago at the start and end dates of the pre-ICO and the ICO, the pre-ICO is going to last about 8 days. The actual ICO is going to have a duration of 11 days. And the STO SmartO token is going to be an ERC20 token. There's going to be a minimum purchase of 10,000 STO tokens if you were interested, with no maximum purchase. And all of this will be based on the Ethereum blockchain. All unsold tokens are going to be burned. And so the total supply may be actual less than the total tokens that they seek to issue if the sale doesn't sell out. So the total tokens that they're going to be issuing is 12 billion tokens. And if you wanted to have 1/1,000,000th of all of these tokens available, then that would be at the maximum 12,000 of these STO tokens. So they're dividing this between the ICO, 25% being held by the company, and then 25% being released in the pre-ICO. Each token is going to have a price of 1/10 of 1 penny, and they have a hard cap here of $8 million, a soft cap of just north of 1.5 million. So we know, according to the roadmap, they're planning on listing the STO token on the exchanges in September, and these are the initial list of exchanges that they're seeking to get listed on. And with these funds, they have it detailed here where they plan on spending the funds for the project, for the growth and projection for the SmartO app to really take over the user awareness and the adoption. So if you guys are interested in learning more information about SmartO, definitely check out their website, read more about how they have a background in openness and trust. You can read more about the company and where they are coming from. Check out some videos about the project. They have this hefty FAQ section where you can get more information as well. And you can meet the project team who's developing this new smart technology application, as well as the advisors, and also you can see some videos from their advisors as well. So that's the SmartO website. That's the SmartO ICO. They have the button right here for users who are interested in purchasing STO tokens with 30% off. Now, don't spend any money that you can't afford to lose. Make sure you do your due diligence before you make any decisions. None of this is financial advice, and keep in mind that I am not a licensed financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Make sure that you do your own research and ask questions before making any decisions. Nevertheless, if people are interested in this technology, they can come to the website, they can learn more information, they can check out the additional social media accounts and ask additional questions, sign up to the email newsletter to receive more information. And if you click the Buy STO Tokens button, then they list a screen where you can actually receive more information and more help and contact links so you can pay with Ethereum, cryptocurrency, fiat currencies, or contact their help and support through their email, their Telegram, or their direct phone number hotline. So we didn't see it listed on the website, so we went ahead and jumped in the Telegram group, and we asked if Americans can participate in the pre-ICO and the ICO itself. And what we're told is that anyone can participate. There are no restrictions. And so that's interesting news for a lot of people. I still recommend that you do your own diligence and be careful before you make any decisions with any ICOs. So there you have the SmartO smartphone application to help interconnect your life. Now, how interesting would that be if you have a list of errands you have to run and your personal assistant knows you have to go shopping, drop off the dry cleaning, it knows you have an appointment at 2 o'clock and a meeting perhaps at 6, and what if it's able to know all these things, know what you have to do in terms of your schedule, know what you have to do in terms of your tasks, then route you and give you the information so you can be more efficient, more intelligent, not only not forgetting what you have to do, but being more efficient in getting those tasks complete. All right, everybody, thanks for showing up for this episode of Minting Coins. Let me know what you think in the comments box below about the SmartO ICO and the SmartO app and how they're seeking to interconnect people, giving people more power from the convenience of their phone. Also, tap that like button. It really supports us. It helps other people find this content. Subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, I'm glad that together we are minting coins.